We get unjust criticism. It's stressful, makes us feel bad. We don't think the world's fair. This person is picking on us. But sometimes that unjust criticism is actually a disguised compliment, because we may be pushing things faster, harder, better than the people around us are comfortable with, so they try and pull us down, slow us down, pull us back, because they worry we're going to get ahead of them. Or they might try and destroy our brand in the market so we are not such a strong competitor. So sometimes when you get unjust criticism, don't think of it as, oh, totally negative, totally zero in it for me. Think, I see. I'm actually making waves here. I'm actually getting somewhere. I'm pushing things maybe faster than others who are my competitors can keep up with what I'm doing. Look for the positive and don't get tackled by the stress.